Cedral Click clips must be placed firmly onto the tongue of the plank before screwing into position. Position the next plank into that clip before fitting top clips and screwing into place. The top plank should be face fixed with colour-coded Cedral screws. Ensure that a suitable ventilation gap is left between the top of the Cedral Click plank and the underside of the soffit.